My name is Ophonex and I'll be showing you how to contour your nose. All you really be needing is this little brush and then your powder palette. Remember what I usually say about contour shades. 2 skin tones darker. 2 skin tones darker. Once you have determined what your contour shade is, just pick your little flat brush and then dab it into that shade and start at the corner of the eyes. What do I mean by the corner of the eyes? At the corner of the eyes, close to the brow, at the head of the brows. You start from there and you try to draw a slant. Not a straight line now, a slant from the head of the brow towards the tip of the nose. Okay, the tip of your nose is the protruded part of your nose. You try to make an outline from the head of your brow to the protruded part of your nose, which is the tip of the nose. Starting from the head of the brow gives this illusion, slim illusion, it just flows with the brow, and then you just keep going over and over till it's as deep as you want it. The more you keep going over, the deeper it gets, the deeper the sides get, and the center pops out really good, giving this illusion of a pointed nose. So just keep going back and forth. As you can see, I just keep going back and forth till I can get the result that I want. I told you all, it's not hard. These things are not hard. You just need someone to guide you, and that's what Ophonex is here for, to guide you, to help you get those dreams grinded. A lot of people that want to have this pointed nose, but they don't know how to do it. They've been seeing videos, but they don't know how to go about it. This is me giving you the most simple and effective technique. What did I say? Get your small brush, get your contour shade of powder. You don't even need to do the liquid contour. Get your contour shade of powder and then begin to create an outline from the head of the brow slantly towards the tip of the nose. And you just keep going back and forth till it is deep enough. As you can see, I'm just going back and forth, particularly at the head of that brow. That is where the illusion begins. Do not do your nose contour without getting to the head of the brow, because you will miss the illusion. So keep going deeper and deeper and deeper. I needed it to pop so well. That's why you're seeing me go over and over, trying to get the sides deep in so that the center can pop. As you can see already, this nose is popping. This nose is popping. There's nothing you will tell me. You cannot convince me. I'm seeing it in my mirror now. This nose is what? It is popping. So, eventually you want your own lighter. You can just make it light, but I'm a dark person and I needed it to point. Like, someone needs to see me from Morocco. Like, are you getting? This is a slay year, 2022. We are slaying, so we have to make it count, okay? So you just keep going back and forth till it is as beautiful as you imagined it to be. Ladies, are you still watching? Can you see the beautiful outcome? Look at that nose. Ooh. Watch out for my very next video, guys. We are going to be handling the lips.